Have you ever pondered the journey of a single raindrop? From its birth in the vast oceans to its descent from the heavens as rain and its eventual return to the sea, each drop of water embarks on an incredible adventure. This is the water cycle, an extraordinary, unending journey that water takes across our planet. The water cycle is nature's own recycling system, ensuring that the same water keeps moving around the Earth, transforming from one state to another and sustaining life as we know it. It all begins with evaporation, where the sun's heat causes water from oceans, lakes, rivers, and even plants to transform into water vapor. This invisible vapor then ascends into the atmosphere. Once in the atmosphere, this water vapor cools and condenses, forming tiny droplets that gather and create clouds. This process is known as condensation. The next stage is precipitation. When the water droplets in the clouds become too large and heavy, they fall back to the earth as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. But the journey doesn't end there. Once on the ground, water has two destinations. Some of it will evaporate again, rejoining the atmosphere. Some will be taken up by plants and later released back into the air, a process known as transpiration. The rest of the water, however, will either seep into the ground, becoming part of the underground water reservoirs in a process known as infiltration, or it will flow over the surface of the land, reaching rivers and eventually the ocean in a process called runoff. And so, the cycle begins anew, with evaporation once more. In summary, the water cycle is a continuous process that begins with evaporation, followed by condensation to form clouds, and then precipitation as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Once back on the ground, water can either evaporate again, be taken up by plants and released back into the air through transpiration, seep into the ground through infiltration, or flow over the surface of the land in runoff, eventually reaching the ocean, ready to start the cycle again. This simple yet intricate process is the heartbeat of our planet, the silent symphony that plays a crucial role in supporting all life on Earth. It's a reminder that in nature, nothing is static. Everything is in a constant state of flux, with each drop of water embarking on its own unique journey. So the next time you see a raindrop fall, remember, it's not just water. It's a traveler on an unending voyage, a tiny yet vital part of the magnificent water cycle.